Thanks for watching in, guys. I really appreciate it. There's been quite a few new subscribers to my channel. Thank you everyone for subscribing and watching my videos. I'm getting close to the 1,000 subscription milestone. Can't wait to get back on the bandwagon. Just a quick update on my channel. There's going to be a lot of maintenance due to my car, ARTIE. I'm just notch under the 36,000 miles, so prepping for some spring fluid change. That's going to include the transmission and the differential. We're going royal purple for performance and trying to get rid of the notchy stick. Also, Mobile 1 is my preferred oil for the engine. Also getting obviously the SRT filter that's been on this car since the first oil change. As well as I'm going to road track my car this summer, so you should expect to see those videos for those reasons. I need new brakes. The front brakes are shot. This is my second pair of front brakes after 36,000 miles. The rear are halfway, so the front are going to be some new power stop, evolution, and drilled and slotted. Same performance, same as the rear. Different. They're still going to be the stock size. Hopefully, I can get some more cooling effect on Road&Track with these. With that, I also got some high-end performance friction brakes. These are carbon metallic, extra heat resistant, and also need to replace my belt. The belt is on the windy side, and it's about time. Now, one performance mod that I'm looking to go for is the Richard Petty Garage, the dual front strut tower brace. That's going to be installed on the front to help with the flex from the chassis. So, stay tuned. It's going to be a lot to come. Thank you again, everyone. See you soon.